and welcome to Bled, our next destination in Slovenia. So it's forbidden to swim in Bled, but there is this one place where you can do that. This is opposite to the castle. And there goes my mom. Such a beautiful place to swim. How was it swimming in Bled?
It was great.
We will see if the place with Kremšnite is still open.
Ja, auf jeden Fall geradeaus.
Because here in Bled they have their own original recipe. And there is one place where you can get Kremšnite made by this specific recipe. We're having last minutes in Bled, and there is sunset. It goes right behind the castle, and we finally got Kremšnite. Mom is trying Kremšnite for the first time. How is it? Yeah? And with these views, it's like double pleasure. We're in the cutest cafe in town, and it literally says it on the menu. We are in Bohinj. The apocalyptic weather is scheduled in 1 hour. That means we have time to swim here. And there goes my mom. So this is called Bohinj cheese soup.
Is it cold?
And we're eating fish again. Fish. New day, new place. We are going to find a gondola that goes up to Mount Vogel. We've got the tickets. They cost a lot, 28 euros there and back. But we're here and we should go. We are here, oh my god. There's so much more people here than last time. There are many animals here on Vogel mountain. Look at that. Hello. And this guy, it's wooden though. I'm so happy. So much nature. So, my first time in Vogel 5 years ago, we came here with 2 of my friends. And as soon as we got up the hill, apocalypse started. Like full hardcore hailstorm with pieces of ice that were big enough that when they hit your ear, it hurts like hell. And we were up the hill, which is behind me now, I think. We were hiding under the tree, which did not save us at all. And now this is my second time here. And actually, I checked the forecast and there should be thunderstorm at some point today. But I'm lucky it's not here yet. And I am here already. This is probably the easiest panorama place near Vogel. The hill just opposite to this funicular. It's so beautiful. So many layers of mountains. I got back up and my friend just sent me a message that he will meet us when we go back down from the Vogel mountain. Oh, there are actually goats here. They are so cute. Anyway, we just have enough time to grab some drinks, have them here up the mountain, and then go back to meet my friend. Yay! Also, my mom is walking up the hill at the moment, so I would like to take some beers and meet her with them as she comes up. Reward! I'm so proud of her, she's badass. Beers! I found them, and we have this amazing viewing point here. We are back in Kranj. We're actually staying in Kranj on this street. And this is the first time we're actually taking a walk in Kranj. Ah, there is Kranj Fest. So there is Kranj Fest today and tomorrow. That is why there is suddenly a huge amount of people. There is some kind of stage over there, and there will be some kind of fire show at 10 o'clock in the evening.